Hi guys, I'm here at Academy at the Farm website. It's a charter school here in Pasco County. We're on the screen, on the home screen now, and down here you can see that they've included a list of events happening. They've got a golf tournament, Enchanted Forest Book Fair, and a Havana Nights ball going on. And then down at the bottom here, they've got these announcements and weather that's going on at the school, which is pretty important because they are out in a farm setting. So it's good to know what shoes to be wearing and what clothes to be prepared with. And down here, they've got the absence form for the students and parents. Then we've just got a list of activities or events that have happened to keep the parents updated. Up here at the top, we can go over to learn about the school. They've got an opening video here that can just give you a good overview about the school's lottery entry system. Anybody in Pasco County can put in an application through their lotteries, and they will randomly draw to see who will be accepted because there's a minimal number of spots for the school. They're an A-rated school, and this is what the video talks about here, is that all the administration teaches in the classroom to ensure they all know all the aspects of the school from teacher on up. And every classroom has a certified teacher and paraprofessional. So there's 2 adults in every classroom, which is rare in any public school. They cater to pre-kindergarten through 8th grade, and they're very family oriented and run by a board of directors. And over here, if you go down to board of directors, you get to see all of the names and information on who is running the board. They also have a list of links for board meeting minutes and financials to keep the parents and community updated on, what the school is spending and what they're doing with their students and how their growth is going to affect the community. They include the school's number on the bottom of every page to ensure that there's easy access to speak with a staff member. And we can go down here, get down to contact us. You can send a message and have somebody contact you back, or you can go down and they have a fax and phone number here to get in touch with somebody immediately. And we go back up to the top, and there is another link for employment opportunities and faculty. Faculty has a list of team members, and they're broken down by grade level. We've got the primary team for elementary, intermediate, for the higher levels of elementary grades, and then the middle school team, grades 6 through 8. The administrative team, who are teachers and administrators. Specials team is the list of teachers that work with the special education program. and the preschool team. Here we have the ESE team. We also have a list of administrators and their titles, and then team members and their titles. Here, if we go down to the middle on academics, we can learn a little bit about the middle school curriculum. Middle school is where I would like to be, and there's just a list here of standards and areas that the middle school focuses on. There's also a lot of extracurricular activities going on in the school that we can find right up here on clubs and programs, from 4-H to chef. And then down here we've got sports, National Junior Honor Society, robotics, just a really wide range of extracurricular activities. Down here at the bottom of giving, there's a link to donate to the Academy at the Farm, because the Academy at the Farm does run on a lot of donations and fundraising, because they are a charter school and they don't get as much funding as public schools, but they are fully committed to ensuring that each student receives a high-level education and is able to thrive. So they use a lot of fundraising through their PTO, which we learn about in the About video if you want to go and watch that. Then over here, we're able to find the lunch calendar. Makes it easy for parents and students to know what's going on for lunch. Helps when there's allergies or just figuring out as a parent what you want your kid to eat and what you don't. So you just go down and accept the terms as soon as that loads, but we'll go back over here to the Academy at the Farm website. And under calendar, we can also see the school's calendar to see dates of activities and beginning of the school day and beginning of the school year and end of the school year. You can also go down to admission and book a tour or apply early for preschool and K through 8. If we go down here to highlights, it gives us a good overview. Of activities that have been going on at the school, and Academy at the Farm is really good about posting videos of what's going on and activities that they've already that have already taken place. We're just going to go back here to the home screen, but I would say that the only thing that this website is lacking in is the emails or phone numbers to get in contact with the teachers. However, I know that the school is very popular, so limiting access to those might be good, only giving them to the parents of the students.